In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from iCloud to Android. Now, to do this process, you actually want to be on your Android device. So I'm currently on my Android phone. So the first order of business is to open up any web browser on your Android device. It could be internet, Google Chrome, etc. So let's just go ahead and work with Google Chrome. And then all you want to do is you want to type in iCloud login just like so. So basically, we're going to be signing into our iCloud account on our Android phone. However, we are still able to access all of the photos and stuff like that on our iCloud. So let's just go ahead and open up iCloud right over here. And then you want to press on sign in. And then from there, sign into the iCloud account where you want to have access to all your photos. So I'm going to briefly sign in and I'm going to be right back with you guys once I entered both my email and my password. All right, guys, and then afterwards, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and then you'll have access to your photos. So from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and just click on any of your photos and then you can press on these three dots and then you can press on download just like so. And that is going to install your iCloud images over to your Android device. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.